This is a common question. I haven't seen many papers without a question like this. When there's a cross on a surface, it means that that surface is flat, or that there is actually a square on a shaft, on a cylinder. And there you can see the side view without those flat surfaces indicated. All right. Just take note of, you've got the detailed representation of different components, and the conventional one is the one that you must be able to draw in freehand come your final exam. So here we have a dowel, and this is of course the end view here. External screw threads, you can see the detailed representation and the conventional representation. All right, on that, make sure you can draw that. You've got internal screw threads and its conventional representation. Then we've got screw threads assembly, all right, where we've actually now taken a crab screw, for instance, and it's been screwed into an internal screw thread.